Natama ako. Tulungan mo ako. Good morning, ma'am.
Dalawin ko lang po si Dave.
Pasensya na po, ma'am. Maigpit po yung instruction. Wala po mong dalaw.
Ay, kahit sandali lang ho. Silipin ko lang ho.
Pasensya na po talaga, no? Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Sino ka? Are you a friend of my son? Nako, pasensya na, mahigpit ang security. Bumisita ka na lang sa ibang araw, ha? And please, continue praying for him, okay? Thank you.
Okay, ha? Tatandaan mo, you cannot turn off your lapel mic. Tapos gusto ko masanay ka na para hindi ka ma-distract pag sumusunod yung mga cameraman sa'yo.
Okay, well, sanay naman ako nakatutok sa akin yung mga camera.
Good.
But hanggang sa banyo ba? Kasama sila?
Hindi naman. Well, you see, lahat ng episodes natin, iti-tape natin. So, i-edit pa to bago i-ere. I believe your mom wanted to view footage. It's fine with me.
Okay. Kailan yung airing nito?
Next week. That's why, kailangan natin mag-tape agad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do I have to say anything like for the opening lines, whatever?
Wala, Gwyneth. It's all you.
Okay.
Just be natural. Just be yourself. This is your show.
Okay.
Okay? Ronnie, run na tayo. Ay, sandali. Simula tayo dun sa pintuan. From the door. Dito.
Okay.
Okay na.
Hello everyone, welcome to my show. And ngayon, iikot ko kayo sa aking bahay. So, come join me. Now, this is my living room. Dito namin ina-entertain ang mga guests ko. Now, let's try to go upstairs. Let's see kung may makita na kayong iba't ibang rooms, including my room. Oh, Ma! Bakit kaya nasuot mo?
Hello, ano ka ba, Gwyneth? Pambahay lang ito.
Ang bahay.
Ay, good morning! Ay, Mami, nagro-roll na po tayo. Ay, sorry ha? Sorry. Gwyneth, sorry. Take two ha. Take two tayo.
Okay,
Oh, okay.
Hindi na